Okay, you're probably wondering what's going on here, where we are. I'll show you where we are. We're overlooking all of Taipa, and you can even see through those buildings. You can also see the other side across the river, and over there you can see it into the Macau side. So that's Macau way over there, and I think that's mainland China over on that side. But of course all of this is part of Taipa, all part of Macau. And we're gonna walk around this building, this bathroom, and then we're gonna go down and look over Cotai as well. Some cars parked here as well, and we have this hiking trails up here. They overlook the airport and all kinds of cool stuff. So let's do it. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. You can also see a road right there too. So actually that's one of the ways to get up here. We'll show you a few others too. And this is also the entrance to the Taipa Grande trail. Goes about 1100 meters. And so you can hike all the way through up in there. And you can hike and get a view of the airport as well. And over there is the other, so it'll go around and come out over here. But we're not going to take that trail. We're going to go past these bathrooms right here. And we're gonna go over here on the right, and then we can overlook from this little spot here. So we have that and we have that. Oh, and you can see the bridge over there too. So you can see that bridge that goes to Macau. So that's the longest bridge that goes between the three. So we basically have like a peninsula, Macau peninsula, and we have Taipa Island. We're on Taipa Island. Kind of give you a little. So we're back on the back side. You got the vending machine too. We have all of those. So now we have these amazing views. That's one of the roads you can come up on. That's like Inn Hotel is over there, and those are apartments, but this is all the residential for a lot of the residents that live here. I used to live in one of these as well. Now I live in a different one. But I used to live over there a little bit. And then so you can also see, we're gonna walk down there. We're gonna walk down it right now, and we'll get closer as well. We can see some of the Taipa Cotai Casino. So let's go down, and there's a whole park right in here, so we're gonna walk down that park. Kind of a rainy day today, so actually you can kind of see the steps are a little bit wet. That goes up the WCs. There's a car coming up right now. So yeah, pretty nice views. So this is the top of Taipa Grande. This is a lookout area, and a road comes up here as well. Actually, I drove this road just now to come up here, but I'll show you the other entrance. There's three entrances. There's a cable car, not a cable car, but I don't know what the name of it, a tram or something like that. Then of course this road that we're walking across right now, and then there's also the hiking trails too. And you can also walk down these ways as well. Pedestrians, cars. That's where we're just at. And looks like that same vehicle is coming back down again. Now you can see. So we're gonna do, got this whole park. We're just gonna walk around the periphery part. So we're gonna walk this way. Now we can view, and we'll get some different angles as well, including Taipa Village. But this right here is Taipa Centro. So they call this like the main CBD downtown area. Now we're over some rooftops right here. Okay, so there's Taipa Centro. And then way down there, that's that bright lights, that's the jockey clubs. They got horse racing there. So Taipa Centro, this park that we're on in Grande, those apartments over there are called, I think it's called Grande. It's a residential. But straight ahead is Galaxy, so that's Galaxy Casino, that's Galaxy Casino, that's Galaxy Casino. And then over here we have Venetian. We'll show you those in a second. So we're gonna focus on this side first. And you can basically see this is like the ecological zone. And there's also, now there's some new things in here too. They just put the Firecrackers Museum, they kind of rebuilt that and made it for tourism. That's my son whistling right there. You hear the whistling? And I think we're gonna be able to view Taipa Village up here as well. Galaxy and then Taipa Village is right in this area. So, okay. He's having a good old time, but he's kind of aiming for puddles. I'm not gonna get mad at him today, but a lot of times his feet gets really wet, and it's like an ongoing issue. But I'm not gonna. He's gonna try to enjoy the views and enjoy the time, and then we can go home and he can put those shoes and let them dry. Anyways, that's Taipa Village right there. So. Pretty cool, eh? You like the view? Good view. All right, give me a fist bump. Yeah. Okay. That's my son. He's autistic. So that's kind of the view. That's new right there. The red that's lit up. I think that's part of Studio City, but you can see Galaxy comes right up to it, and then I think that's Studio City. That's new, and they both have some new stuff over that side. This is the ecological zone right here, and Taipa Village is here. Sometimes they'll have Taipa houses is here. They'll have some musicians sometimes. And then that's the other way up here too, is that we'll get closer to that. And usually we'll see some people hanging out here, but it's such a wet, rainy day that not so much at this time. So we're gonna get closer so you can see that tram. So kind of a nice place to hang out, right? There's somebody with a camera. So that's the tram line. I don't see any, they're not moving right now, but we could go down, of course, and come back up. And then, yeah, those are all hiking trails up there. So I think what we're gonna do is I'm going to show you the middle part, and I think we might actually see if the tram is working. And if it is, maybe we can go down and come back up. Oh, and you can also see some trails. I'll show you the trails in a second as well. Right up there. So now you can see some trails right there, all those lights. So it's lit up at nighttime so you can walk it in the evening. And actually these go behind this Grande. So I used to know a guy that used to live here, and he would go hiking up here quite a bit. I think the boy's gonna push a button. So if that opens up, then we'll take it and go down. I better catch it before it goes down. Okay. So it's a little bit. So we're gonna go down that way. Okay, so we're coming down to the bottom. So when we get down, I'll just kind of walk down this little way a little bit, highlight the ecological water area, and then we'll probably come back up as well, and then we'll give you kind of a full circle of it. All right, there we go. So now we're out at the front. That's kind of where we were just at. So we're just up there, right? And we're just gonna walk all the way down like this. Actually, the lighting is really nice. And then now we're kind of closer to the Cotai Strip as well. And we're also gonna overlook this kind of main road right here. The lighting looks amazing. So that's the road on that side. We'll show you the other side when we come back. now you can get kind of a close-up. So yep, Galaxy Casino. That red one is on the Zhuhai China side. It's just over the river, the waterfront. And then this is Galaxy, of course. Studio City. I think that's maybe part of Galaxy. That's Galaxy Arena, Galaxy ICC. And then over here, Studio City is over there, and there's kind of a really well lit up one over there as well. Phoenician, and then you have this waterfront, so this ecological. There's a trail right there. It goes into Taipa village and also Taipa houses and a firecracker museum, all kinds of really cool stuff in that area. And then we have the Cotai strip over here. Let me see, Venetian, and then Parisian is right behind it, that purple one. Londoner is the one across the street from that. City of Dreams, Morpheus, Grande. So that's that mountain strip that we were just at. And I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back up. And we're just gonna highlight on this side so you can kind of see the lighting of everything. Yeah, so this road comes along this Grand Taipa mountain and it goes right into the Cotai village. The lighting is really nice right now too. So of course we have that beautiful view and this beautiful view. And we are going to go back up, so we'll take the same way up and then we're going to show you from up the top. So now we have this view right here, and that's basically where we just came up. So we just came up that one right there. Now you can see the road that we were overlooking right there, and it also goes all the way down into that direction too, which is Taipa Village. So we got Taipa Village, Taipa Centro down that way, Taipa Village right here, Casino, Cotai Strip all the way over here, and then we have Grand Tai and we have a mountain behind us, so we're gonna walk down in that direction as well. Okay, and over there is all these trails. So so we did give highlight to those a little bit. The lighting is pretty amazing though. Yeah, the lighting is incredible. So right now is that perfect time of the evening. The lighting is just about right. You want to get that one? So he wants to get something, so we'll get something for him. We have this little Macau pass, so that way he just got that expensive 10 mop one. It's okay. Usually it's like 5 or 6, but I think this is kind of a tourist spot, so they have to get their drinks up here, right? So we're going to be going up in that area in a second, and yeah, pretty cool. I guess we should just go down it one more time, because it's the lighting is just about amazing. Kind of like this orangish glow tonight, and it's been raining a lot today too, so I might add to it. Yeah, it looks really nice. Okay, so yeah, hopefully you got a little idea of some of the views up here. And actually when you get like, this is actually really photogenic, as you can imagine, so great place to come up and visit. This Jockey Club is really bright. Jockey Club, they can't, there's a noise ordinance that they can't play things loud, so you wouldn't even know it's there. But they do horse racing there. I think it's 3-5 nights a week or something like that. Sometimes kids will play in this area where people just kind of hang out. And I guess what we'll do is we're going to end it. That's Taipa Centro. So you can see there's a little McDonald's right there. That's in Flower City. So yeah, maybe it looks totally different once you get the full context of the other stuff. Then as we walk it again, it probably looks a little bit different to somebody. So, okay. Okay, so we're gonna conclude there. So that's our road in that area. No, I think the road is up a little bit. That's another road. That's I think a maintenance road. Okay, so hope you like that one. That's up here in the park overlooking all of Taipa. Back to where we began. And then yeah, this is the road that goes up here. So this one by car and this one by foot. All right. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.